Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you how to install AQME in just 1 or 2 minutes. First thing we're gonna do is go to the AQME repository in GitHub, and then we're gonna scroll down and go to the installation section. From here, you can see how there are three options. The first one uses Conda Forge, and is the fastest one because it includes ArtKit and OpenBabel in the installation as well. You just need to copy the command and then go to your terminal or Anaconda prompt if you use Windows, copy it and just run it. Then you also have other options. For example, I use option 2 to update my package, and you can do it through ppstyle. So what you need to do is first you need to download the setup.py file, which you can find it, download the code from GitHub. You can see this file, and when you open it, you'll find the folder of AQME, and then all the subfolders here also contain the setup.py. So when you have the file, let's scroll down again to installation. You just need to copy this command, and then in your terminal just cd into the path where you have the AQME folder with setup.py, and then just run this ppstyle dot to get your update of the program. That was all for this quick installation guide. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and just feel free to send us an email or open an issue on GitHub if you have any more questions.